I got ROG Ally, and the customer said this button, the R1 or RB button, it's stop to working. If this is the first time you watch me, I fix video game stuff and computer. So in this video, I will try to share my experience to fix this button. Alright, first thing first, I need to test the button if it's still working or not. So I will use like gamepad tester. So gamepad tester. Okay, and let's check the button. And yes, this button is look like not working as a normal. This one is good, but this one sometimes working, sometimes not working. So in this video I will try first to clean the button. If it's working, I'm happy. If it's not working, that means I need to replace the button. So let's do it. Alright, so first thing, I need to open 6 screws. First one here, second one, alright, so we need to work on this side. Just be careful. This is the first part. I think I need to open all the heatsink with the fan to take this button out. So let's do it. I open 4 screws, 1 here, 2, 3, and 4, and I think they have one underneath the M.2 hard drive. Yes, they have 2 more. Okay, let's see. Just be careful. I tried all the way to take this button out, but unfortunately I can't. So let's open all the part and check. I think they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws. I need to open it to take the board out. Finally, this is the board. This is the button. I need to work on it. So I will try to clean it through contact cleaner. After I clean it, if the problem is still, I will replace this button, and this button is available on our shop if you like to buy one of them. So let's return all the part back and test. And I return all the part and turned on the ROG, and as you can see guys, the button, it's back to working as normal. Thank you for watching. Please, if you have any questions, just let me know.